I am so happy to be right here, right now, and introduce to you the almond cake. It is my favorite cake, and my mom used to make it when it was my birthday or special occasions. This was a cake that was made just for me, and it made me feel so special. But actually, it is the most amazing cake ever. It is so easy, you cannot believe it. It's just 3 ingredients. We're going to use eggs, we're going to use almond flour and sugar, 250 grams of almond flour, 250 grams of sugar, and I'm going to use this muscovado. The first step is separating eggs, the white from yolk, and then we're going to whisk the white eggs into a wonderful meringue. And we're just going to envelop everything very kindly and allow to bake. My baking tin that I'm going to use is going to be this one. And I have here my tea towel because yesterday I've been in Stonehenge with friends. It was a dream come true and they got me this tea towel. So if you want to give me something special, please send me tea towels from where you are. And I love it. I have already many from Portugal. I have one from South Africa, from Cyprus, and I cannot wait to grow my collection. I never bought them, so now it's my new thing. It really matches the theme of the channel of cooking, traveling, and I love it. Look how cute. This one has a taro vibe. Let's start. And I'm using this brand, Chimarrón. It's really cool, so let's use it. I really like it. So we need more 100 grams here. Let's go. Okay, so I'm going here. That's it. Perfect. Let's start. This is the hardest part, can you believe it? Now we save this gold. Now we're going to whisk the egg whites into a stiff peak. To whisk the egg yolks with the sugar into a creamer. Let's do it. How do we know that they are ready? We just turn them upside down and they don't fall. That's it. See? No falling. Now it's time to mix the yolks with the sugar. Let's go. Put this away and prepare for the second part. And now I'm going to line my heart. Smash it a little bit. And that's why cooking is so relaxing. There you go. We'll bring a little bit of water, we splash with water. And it helps to kind of create a steam and the paper not to move. We have the egg whites in peaks, almond flour, and a creamer, yolk with sugar. Okay, you can use xilitol as well. And we are going to mix little by little. And I love the cute garden and the trees, they're bouncing everywhere. It's just so pretty to see. It's unbelievable. I add almond flour and the egg whites and I gently fold them into the batter until all combined, very gently. And now
pour the mixture into the hard tin.
Now we're going to put it in a preheated oven at 250 Celsius.
Then you reduce to 190 Celsius and is baked when the dough bounces back, or you try the toothpick until it's dry. I sprinkle with a little water and the paper just comes out very easily.
Now we'll let it cool down.
Subscreva o canal.
Fazia um bolo com farinha de avelã, não é? Ou então com amêndoa, ou então nozes, não é? Os nozes fica mais escuro.
Tanto. Mais, velho.
Ai, que lindo! Agora sou eu que faço o bolo à mamã. Então, mamã, diga lá, quem foi que lhe ensinou a fazer este bolo?
Foi a mãe, Dona Maria Luísa,
A mãe da Dona Maria Luísa, que lhe deu a receita.
que deu a receita, que levou um bolo muito bonito para um lanche dos voluntários do hospital.
Ah,
E então, eu gabei o bolo. Dona Alcina. Ai, Dona Alcina, tão bom, é muito bom. É muito bom este bolo, foi a senhora que fez. Ah, sim, eu dou-lhe a receita se quiser. Logo disse. Então lá me deu a receita e eu fiz e gostei. A Dona Maria de Lourdes e a professora Beirão foram lá à casa e eu fiz aquele bolo. E a Dona Helena Xavier
também.
também lá foi.
Eu agora fiz o bolo para a minha mãe, porque a minha mãe sempre fazia para mim, para os meus anos, que era o bolo que eu mais gostava. Pronto, então agora vou servir a minha mãe e vamos ver se ela gosta.
Se é igual.
Se é parecido, igual não é porque é com farinha de amêndoa. A mamãe fazia quase sempre com avelãs.
Muito bom.
Está aprovado, mamãe?
Muito bom.
Almond.
cozidos e sobremesas.
Está ótimo.
Onde é que
Maravilhoso.
está?
Agora, tira-se um bocadinho.